Buffalo, New York, United States, December 13, 2024. The third major lakeside snowstorm since late November has battered the Great Lakes with high winds and heavy snow, causing hazardous travel conditions and a state of emergency in parts of New York State. New York Governor Kathy Hochul announced on X that she has declared a state of emergency in several counties, including Jefferson and Erie counties, as up to a foot of snow is expected to fall over the rest of the week. Our first responders and emergency crews are already on the ground and ready to weather this storm, Hochul said in a post on X. I urge New Yorkers to take precautions to stay safe.
The videos that I've seen from down there in Hamburg especially, so Southtown.
Pauwi na ako, guys.
I'm shooting at where
The snow is falling fast and hard in parts of Pennsylvania and New York, with some communities already receiving more than 2 feet of snow. The mayor of Buffalo is urging residents to stay home as heavy snow blankets the southern part of the metro. Video taken at Greater Rochester Frederick Douglass International Airport on Thursday morning shows planes waiting to be de-iced during heavy snowfall. There were also reports of a rare snowfall in the Watertown, New York, area on Thursday morning. A rare snowfall is when thunder and lightning are seen while precipitation falls in frozen form. Similar to thunderstorms, patchy snowfall requires significant atmospheric instability, and in areas where it occurs, snowfall levels can be quite heavy.
we got another one.
Oo. Nakita niyo yun? Oh, Lord.
Buffalo Mayor Chris Scanlon said he has been in constant contact with Hochul and Polenkars about the high-impact lake-effect snowstorm, and said Buffalo City Hall will be closed Thursday due to the winter weather conditions. Travel impacts have also been reported across Pennsylvania, including some commercial travel restrictions on I-86 between I-90 and the New York state line, as well as the entire length of I-90 from the Ohio state line to the New York state line. Speed restrictions are also in effect on parts of Interstates 80 and 81. Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro said his state is also preparing for the storm's impact.
Dalawang malaki. Hindi ko nakita. Nahirap pag magbe-break ka nito, kailangan ano lang, dahil kasi baka kung saan tayo mapunta nito. Grabe, nice.
In a post on X, Shapiro said members of the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, Pennsylvania State Police and Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency were in Erie ahead of the winter weather. They will be ready to help clear the roads and make sure people get where they need to go, he said. Stay safe out there. The National Weather Service office in Buffalo said heavy lake-effect snow would bring several feet of snow east of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario through Friday morning, and strong winds could cause near-snow conditions. Forecasters warned that it would have major impacts on travel and communities in areas where the heaviest snow is expected.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Viewers, see you in the next video.